everyone, welcome back to Genius_254. If you're a makeup enthusiast or just looking to refresh your beauty kit, you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing some of the best beauty products for makeup that can elevate your look and enhance your beauty routine. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. We'll be diving into foundations, concealers, mascaras, and so much more, covering everything you need to achieve a flawless face. I've handpicked each of these products based on their quality, performance, and of course, their ability to bring out that inner radiance in all of us. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest updates. We've got a lot to cover, so grab your makeup bags and let's get started. A great makeup look always starts with a smooth and flawless base. And that, my friends, is where foundation comes in. Finding the right foundation for your skin type and tone can be a game changer. The product name foundation offers buildable coverage. Plus, it blends like a dream, leaving your skin looking airbrushed and flawless. And the best part? The product name foundation comes in a wide range of shades. Now, if you're someone with oily skin, you know the struggle of finding a foundation that can stand up to shine. But fret no more, because the product name foundation is here to save the day. This foundation is a godsend for oily skin types, thanks to its long-lasting matte finish. Say goodbye to midday touch-ups, and hello to a shine-free complexion that lasts all day and night. This foundation is specially formulated to control oil production, keeping your skin looking fresh and matte even in the most humid weather. The product name foundation doesn't look cakey or drying on the skin. It blurs out imperfections, minimizes the appearance of pores, and creates a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. So if you're tired of battling shine and want a foundation that will keep you looking matte and flawless all day long, the product name foundation is the one for you. Let's be real. We all have days when we wake up with dark circles, blemishes, or just a little bit of redness that we'd rather not show the world. And that's where concealer comes in, our trusty sidekick in the fight against imperfections. A good concealer can brighten up your under eye area, camouflage any blemishes, and just give you that extra boost of confidence. One of my all-time favorite concealers is the product name concealer. This concealer is a cult classic for a reason. It's creamy, it's pigmented, and it blends like a dream. It's super creamy and hydrating, so it doesn't crease or settle into fine lines. You can use it to conceal blemishes, brighten up your under eye area, or even use it as a base for your eyeshadow. So, whether you're looking for a concealer to cover up a pesky pimple or just want to brighten up your under eye area, the product name concealer is a must-have in your makeup bag. Now, if you prefer a more lightweight concealer, the product name concealer is another great option. This concealer provides excellent coverage without feeling heavy or cakey on the skin. It's perfect for those days when you want a little bit of coverage but still want your skin to breathe. One of the things that makes this concealer so unique is its applicator. It has a small pointed tip that allows for precise application, making it super easy to target specific areas. Despite its lightweight texture, the product name concealer packs a punch when it comes to coverage. It effectively conceals dark circles, blemishes, and redness, leaving your skin looking even and flawless. Whether you're a fan of a full-face makeup look or prefer something more natural, a good concealer is a must-have in any makeup bag. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul. Enhance those windows with luscious, voluminous lashes. Mascara transforms your look, adding drama, length, and volume. The product name mascara delivers volume, length, and curl. Its brush lifts, separates, and coats each lash with intense black pigment. Specially formulated to prevent clumping and flaking, enjoy long, luscious lashes all day. Smudge-proof and waterproof, the product name mascara stays put through thick and thin. Now, if you're more into a natural lash look, the product name mascara is the one for you. This mascara is all about enhancing your natural lashes without looking overdone. It adds just the right amount of length, definition, and volume, giving your lashes a subtle yet noticeable boost. The brush on this mascara is designed to separate and define each individual lash, creating a fanned-out natural look. It doesn't clump or smudge, so you can apply multiple coats without worrying about your lashes looking spidery. The product name mascara is also smudge-proof and long-lasting. It's subtle enough for the office or running errands, yet it still gives your lashes that extra something special. So if you're looking for a mascara that will enhance your natural lashes without looking overdone, the product name mascara is the perfect choice. Eyebrows, my friends, they frame the face, adding structure and definition to our features. And when it comes to shaping and defining those brows, a good brow pencil is an absolute essential. One brow pencil that I absolutely swear by is the product name Brow Pencil. This pencil is incredibly precise, easy to use, and comes in a range of shades to flatter every hair color. What sets this brow pencil apart is its ultra-fine tip, which allows for incredibly precise application. You can easily create hair-like strokes that mimic the look of natural brow hairs, filling in any sparse areas and defining your brow shape. The product name Brow Pencil is also long-lasting and smudge-proof, so you can rest assured that your brows will stay put all day long. So, if you're looking for a brow pencil that will give you perfectly sculpted, natural-looking brows, the product name Brow Pencil is the one for you. For days when you want to add color and hold to your brows without a pencil, brow gel is the way to go. It's like hairspray for your eyebrows, taming hairs, adding color, and keeping everything in place all day. The product name, Brow Gel, stands out. It tames and defines brows, adding color and a subtle sheen, available in shades from blonde to black. Brush it through your brows in an upward motion, and you're good to go. For taming, color, and all-day hold, choose product name Brow Gel. Blush, my friends, is like a magic wand for the face. A few swipes of blush can instantly brighten up your complexion, give you a healthy-looking flush, and add a touch of warmth and dimension to your features. And when it comes to blush, the product name Blush is a true gem. This blush delivers the most natural-looking flush of color, blending seamlessly into the skin for a healthy, radiant glow. It's so smooth and silky it practically melts into the skin, leaving behind a sheer wash of color that looks incredibly natural. The product name Blush is also buildable, so you can easily control the intensity of the color. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of pink or a more dramatic pop of peach, this blush has got you covered. So, if you're looking for a blush that will give you the most natural-looking flush of color, the product name Blush is the one for you. Now, if you're someone who loves a radiant, lit-from-within glow, the product name Blush is about to become your new best friend. This blush is infused with ultra-fine, light-reflecting pigments that give your skin a luminous, ethereal glow that's simply irresistible. It glides onto the skin like a dream, blending seamlessly without emphasizing pores or texture. The product name Blush comes in a range of stunning shades, from soft pinks and peaches to warm bronzes and golden hues. Whether you want to enhance your natural flush or add a touch of warmth and dimension to your complexion, there's a shade for everyone. This blush stays put all day long without fading or creasing, so you can enjoy that radiant glow from morning till night. So, if you're ready to take your blush game to the next level and experience the magic of a truly radiant, lit-from-within glow, the product name Blush is the one for you. Trust me, your complexion will thank you for it. Lipstick, my friends, is the ultimate confidence booster. A swipe of lipstick can instantly brighten up your face, add a pop of color to your look, and make you feel like you can conquer the world. And when it comes to lipstick, the product name Lipstick is a true icon. This lipstick is incredibly pigmented, long-lasting, and comes in a range of shades to flatter every skin tone. It glides onto the lips like butter, delivering rich, opaque color in a single swipe. The product name Lipstick is also incredibly comfortable to wear. It's formulated with hydrating ingredients that keep your lips feeling soft and supple, even after hours of wear. So if you're looking for a lipstick that will give you the perfect pout, the product name Lipstick is the one for you. For a laid-back, effortless lip look, lip gloss is the way to go. It adds shine, hydration, and a hint of color, giving your lips a plump, juicy look. The product name lip gloss stands out with perfect shine, color, and hydration. It glides on smoothly, coating lips in shimmering color without feeling heavy. Available in stunning shades from sheer nudes to bold berries. Experience the magic of product name lip gloss. And there you have it, some of the best beauty products to enhance your makeup routine. From flawless foundations and concealing wonders to lash-enhancing mascaras and brow-defining heroes, we've covered it all. Remember, the key to a great makeup look is finding products that work for your unique skin type, tone, and personal style. If you've tried any of these products or have other favorites, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't be shy. Share your go-to products, any tips and tricks you've learned along the way, and let's create a community of beauty lovers, sharing and inspiring each other. Thanks for tuning in to Genius_254. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.